All right. My name is James Bonner. I live in Yuba City, California. I came to see Dr. Barger right at about 12 weeks ago, and my back was, my mid-back and neck were pretty much immobile, preventing me from living what I would consider a normal life, let alone an active life. And after a series of treatments and massage therapies with Dr. Barger, I'm able to carry on with normal daily activities of pulling and pushing and reaching and stretching and pushing things around the house like I need to do, and beginning to start my active lifestyle again. And I owe it all to Dr. Barger.
Okay, and the symptoms you were having primarily?
The symptoms I was having primarily were I was having numbness from, actually I was having stiff, sore backs, immense pain in my mid-back, and I had numbness, tingling, and chronic extreme pain running from my mid-back all the way into my right little finger. And I was unable to basically even sit without even being in extreme amount of pain. And now I'm able to conduct daily activities pain-free.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome.